The challenge of isolation in the society that have engulfed many families in the country. Speaking at Jehova Witness convention held in Nairobi, the clergy said many family members have been affected by mental illness due to harsh economic crisis, which has led to increased cases of suicide in the country. Now, they urge parents to practice patience and be close to their families, asking the government to find alternative ways of reducing the burden of economic hardship to Kenyans.
The theme of the convention is exercise patience. So this theme has helped us to see how we can cultivate patience in different aspects of life, like in setting personal goals, also in our relationships with other people, including our family members, and also patience when we pray to God, because sometimes we may feel our prayers are not answered.
We are known all over the world of moving from door to door, preaching to people, even in the public spaces, were halted, and you are forced now to use the online system, for example, the telephone ways, the video conferencing, so that we can reach interested people to learn about the Bible, to apply the Bible principles in their life so that they can benefit themselves, they can have good relationship with their family, good relationship with other people,